Obviously this segment is a little bit different than anything I've ever done before. You've seen a lot of my real estate videos.
Ho, 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 ho.
In the spirit of everything, I went ahead and put it up on the board. So happy holidays to all you guys. I'm going to do something which has a lot of thought in mind, and it's going to tap into a skill that I haven't done in a while: draw. This was a really great experience. Through your childhood expressions, through your childhood talents, those natural abilities, you're just going to become so passionate about it, and it won't be a day of work. So let me show you what I did. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! You know, this is really starting to tap into what's that guy with the fro? Anyway, this really tapped into that. Take a look. Kind of went with the curves of the body, curves of the body.
He knows I can't see without my glasses.
Alright guys, so that's it, and with a little bit of magic from this wand, I hope I captivated your heart, got your mind going in a certain direction. Wish you guys a super duper happy holidays. If I don't catch you on the next one, then Happy New Year, and make sure that those things that you have set in mind stay present and you get them accomplished. All the best. See you guys back in the neighborhood. Have a great day.